Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet head bandana, and I made it with an H hook. If you want the stitch to be a little bit tighter, you can go down on the hook size. I made this with medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. If you're a beginner, there's a beginner's playlist that can help you. Also, if this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. That is down below in the description as well. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to slip knot onto your hook. And then you're going to create a chain 4, so yarn over and pull through. Okay, once you have your chain 4, you're going to yarn over, and in that first chain you're going to create 2 double crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Create another double crochet. Okay, so now you have the chain 3 and 2 double crochet. You're going to chain 3 and turn, and then in that first stitch here with the chain 3, you're going to work 2 double crochet. And then on top of that chain 3, so you have 1, 2, and then 3, go right into it and work 3 double crochet. And then chain 3 and turn. So work your 2 double crochet in that same stitch of your chain 3 again. And then you have a space in between your 3 double crochets. In this space, you'll work 3 double crochet. And then at the end here, you're going to work your 3 double crochet again on top of that chain 3. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to chain 3, turn, work 2 double crochet in the same stitch of your chain 3. This is just getting bigger and expanding, but it's all repeat now for 20 rows, or you can do 21 rows. So in that space here, you're going to work 3 double crochet. And then in this space, you'll work 3 double crochet. And then in your chain 3 space, you'll work 3 double crochet. And then you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to turn, and then work 2 double crochet with that chain 3. And then in that space, you'll work your 3 double crochet. You'll repeat this back and forth, repeat this. And then in the space, work your 3 double crochet. And then 3 double crochet in the space. And then on top of that, chain 3, work your 3 double crochet. And then chain 3 and just repeat across. So it's going to look like this. It's gradually getting bigger. I did this for 21 rows. You can do 20 or more if you'd like. Okay, so you've done the 21 rows. You can do 20. I just added one more because I wanted it longer. And then on the end here, to add your ties, you're going to yarn over and pull through for a chain of 50. If you want it longer, you can. Once you get to the end of your chain of 50, you'll come back and work a single crochet along those chains. Okay, so do that when you have the chain of 50. In the second chain from the hook, you're going to work your single crochet. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Work that until you get to the end of your chains. Work that until you get to the end. Now that you've done all of your single crochets, you're going to go back along the edge here on the very top and you're going to do slip stitches. So each stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn. Instead of doing a single crochet, you're just going to pull through and then do that along the edge until you get to the end, and you're going to do the chain of 50 after you're done doing this for the other tie on the other side, so you can connect them. So work that along the edge here until you get to the other side. So you've done your slip stitches, and then you're going to repeat with a chain of 50. In the second chain from the hook, you're just going to work your single crochet and then work those single crochets down the edge until you get back to the beginning, so you have your other tie to tie this. Okay, just repeat that all the way down. You're at the end here, and to finish off, you just need to slip stitch and then pull through. Then you can take your yarn and your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Thank you for watching this crochet headband bandana. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you aren't already a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.